Buying a pool filter sounds simple until your water turns cloudy 2 days after you install the wrong one. I've seen weak pumps struggle with circulation, confusing fittings delay setup, and filters demand more maintenance than the pool itself. And, well, nobody wants to spend Saturday afternoon arguing with a hose clamp. So which filter actually keeps your water clear without becoming another weekly chore? I've narrowed it down to 6 strong options, including one that offers the best overall balance of power, convenience, and long-term value. Let's count them down. Number 6. XtremepowerUS. This is best for budget-focused pool owners who want a basic sand filtration system and don't mind spending extra time on installation. The XtremepowerUS system gives you the core equipment needed to circulate and filter an above-ground pool without jumping into premium pricing. Its sand tank captures everyday debris such as dirt, hair, leaves, and fine particles, while the pump keeps the water moving. Once everything is connected correctly, it can handle routine filtration surprisingly well. The multi-port valve is one of its more useful features. It lets you switch between essential functions such as filtering, backwashing, rinsing, and draining. That makes regular cleaning much easier than opening a cartridge housing and washing a dirty filter by hand. Just remember to shut off the pump before moving the valve. Seriously, don't skip that step. Installation, however, is where this system may test your patience. The instructions can feel less detailed than they should, and some connections may require careful tightening or additional adapters depending on your pool. I mean, it isn't impossible to assemble, but first-time pool owners may need to study the layout before switching it on. Noise and overall refinement also keep it at number 6. The pump can sound more noticeable than some higher-ranked choices, and checking each fitting for small leaks is important during the first run. Still, after the initial setup and a proper backwash, the system delivers respectable circulation for the money. XtremepowerUS is a practical entry-level option, not the most polished one. Number 5. Vevor FlashPure. This model is best for value-conscious owners who want a compact sand filter with convenient operating modes. The Vevor FlashPure combines its pump, filter tank, and control valve into a space-conscious package. That makes it easier to position beside smaller above-ground pools where equipment space is limited. Its sand-based filtration reduces the constant cartridge replacements that can quietly increase your pool's running costs. Water moves through the sand bed, where suspended debris becomes trapped before cleaner water returns to the pool. In practical use, that process is effective for routine dust, grass, insects, and other common contamination. It won't magically correct poor water chemistry, of course, but paired with balanced chlorine and regular circulation, it can noticeably improve water clarity. The control valve offers different functions for filtration and maintenance, including backwashing the sand when pressure begins to rise. That's the beauty of a sand system. Instead of pulling out a dripping cartridge, you redirect the water and flush away accumulated dirt. Yes, some water is lost during backwashing, but the process itself is refreshingly straightforward. There are a couple of compromises. The included fittings may not match every pool connection without adapters, and the instructions could provide clearer guidance for beginners. The pump also needs careful priming because trapped air can reduce circulation and make the system sound rougher than it should. Overall, the FlashPure offers good performance for its price, but it rewards careful installation. Double-check the hose diameter, pool capacity, and included connections before buying. 4. Aquastrong Sand Filter Pump. This is best for pool owners who want strong circulation, simple sand maintenance, and several size options. The Aquastrong sand filter pump feels like a meaningful step up because it balances cleaning power with manageable operation. The integrated pump moves water through the sand tank, removing visible debris and smaller suspended particles before returning it to the pool. The result should be more consistent circulation, especially when the system runs for an appropriate number of hours each day. Its control valve makes normal upkeep fairly intuitive. You can filter during regular use, backwash when the sand becomes dirty, and rinse before returning to normal circulation. The labels are easy to follow, and after you understand the sequence, maintenance takes only a few minutes, well, excluding the time spent admiring your suddenly clearer pool. The transparent inspection area, where included on the selected configuration, helps you monitor water during backwashing. Instead of guessing when the discharge has cleared, you can watch the water and stop at the right time. That small detail saves water and removes some uncertainty from filter maintenance. Aquastrong offers configurations for different pool sizes, which is useful but also means you need to select carefully. Bigger is not automatically better. An oversized pump may create unnecessary pressure, while an undersized model can struggle to turn over the water efficiently. Match the pump, hoses, and pool volume rather than choosing by price alone. What earns Aquastrong fourth place is its balance. It offers useful operating modes, capable circulation, and the low maintenance appeal of sand without becoming overly complicated. 3. Bestway Filter Pump. This pump is best for smaller and medium Bestway style pools that need straightforward circulation without a bulky sand tank. Unlike most products in this countdown, the Bestway Flow Clear uses cartridge filtration. Water enters the pump, passes through a replaceable cartridge, and returns to the pool with dirt and debris removed. The 1,500 gallon per hour rating gives it enough circulation for many compatible above-ground pools while keeping the equipment relatively compact. Setup is one of its strongest advantages. Connect the hoses, fit the appropriate adapters, release trapped air, and allow the pump to begin circulating. There's no filter sand to buy, no multi-port valve to learn, and no backwashing sequence. For new pool owners, that simplicity can be more valuable than extra controls. The trade-off is cartridge maintenance. You need to remove and rinse the cartridge regularly, especially after heavy swimming, wind, or rain. Eventually, it must be replaced. Here's what matters. Cleaning it before the flow noticeably weakens helps the pump operate more efficiently and prevents dirt from becoming deeply embedded in the filter material. An automatic timer, when included with the chosen configuration, makes scheduling easier. You can establish a daily circulation routine instead of relying on memory. That consistency matters because filtration works best over time. Running a powerful pump occasionally is often less effective than circulating the pool properly every day. Bestway takes third place because it is approachable, compact, and easy to understand. Number 2. Vivohome Sand Filter Pump. This is best for pool owners who want powerful sand filtration and excellent value without paying top brand pricing. The Vivohome Sand Filter Pump combines substantial circulation with the convenience of a multi-function valve. It is designed to move a useful volume of water while the sand bed captures common contaminants. With proper sizing and balanced chemicals, it can help transform dull, hazy water into a pool that looks far more inviting. The pump and filter operate as a coordinated system, so you avoid piecing together mismatched components. Connections still need to be checked carefully, but the overall layout is logical. Once the tank contains the correct amount and type of filtration media, priming and starting the pump should feel manageable, even if this is your first sand filter. Its multi-port control provides the functions you need for normal operation and cleaning. Filter handles everyday circulation, backwash pushes trapped debris out of the sand, and rinse settles the media before filtration resumes. That last step may seem minor, but skipping it can send a brief cloud of dirty water back into the pool. Not exactly the grand finale you wanted. Vivohome also stands out for offering different capacities. That allows you to match the system to a smaller or larger above-ground pool, rather than accepting one universal configuration. The pump produces confident water movement, yet regular inspection remains important. A clogged skimmer basket or restricted hose can weaken even a capable system.
Intex 26647EG. This is the best overall choice for larger above-ground pools that need powerful circulation and convenient scheduled filtration. The Intex Crystal Clear earns first place with a rated flow of 2,800 gallons per hour and a design built around common above-ground pool needs. It circulates water confidently, pushes debris toward the intake, and filters out the particles that make water appear cloudy. For larger compatible pools, that stronger movement makes a noticeable difference. Its multifunction control valve handles filtration, backwashing, rinsing, recirculation, draining, and closing the system. The options sound complicated at first, but the labels make operation easy to learn. Most days, you simply leave it on filter. When pressure increases or circulation weakens, backwash and rinse the sand before returning to normal operation. The built-in timer is a major convenience. Instead of walking outside every morning to start the system, you can schedule daily filtration. That means more consistent turnover, fewer forgotten cycles, and less mental effort. You know, the pool is supposed to help you relax, not become another device constantly asking for attention. Intex also has an advantage in familiarity and compatibility. Many above-ground pool owners already use Intex hoses, valves, or accessories, which can make integration more predictable. The included OptiFlow-style accessories in this bundle may further improve connection and water direction, although you should still confirm that every fitting matches your particular pool before ordering. The system is larger than a basic cartridge pump, and sand adds weight, so choose a stable, level location before filling the tank.